Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today our topic is the Anker Soundcore Life Q30. If you want to know how to use it, then watch the video till the last. Certified music. Hear every detail of your favorite songs thanks to Life Q30's 40mm drivers. The highly flexible silk diaphragms reproduce thumping bass and crisp treble that extends up to 40 kHz for improved clarity. Advanced noise cancellation technology. Maintain your focus with Life Q30's hybrid active noise cancellation. Dual noise detecting microphones pick up and filter out up to 95% of low-frequency ambient sound to ensure nothing distracts you from your music. Ultimate Noise Cancellation Experience. Customize Life Q30's noise cancellation with 3 modes. Transport minimizes airplane engine noise, outdoor reduces traffic and wind, and indoor dampens the sound of busy offices with people talking in the background. 40-hour playtime. Life Q30 active noise cancelling headphones play up to 40 hours of music in noise cancelling mode. Standard mode extends the playtime to 60 hours, while a short 5-minute charge gives you 4 hours of listening. Pressure-free comfort. Life Q30 active noise cancelling headphones have ultra-soft protein leather earcups with memory foam padding to fit snugly over your ears. The lightweight build also ensures they're comfortable for long listening sessions. Let's see the different modes of and features Anker Soundcore Life Q30. Transport mode. Imagine the roar of takeoff and the endless drone throughout a flight, and then imagine it's gone. Life Q30's transport mode cancels out up to 95% of engine noise to give you a more restful journey. Outdoor mode. Tune out the chaotic soundtrack of the city streets as you walk. Outdoor mode reduces the din of cars driving past and blocks out the noise of the wind to ensure nothing stops your music from sounding its best. Indoor mode. You're trying to focus, but the air conditioner is whirring, people are talking in the background, and a coffee machine is grinding. Switch to indoor mode to adjust Life Q30's noise cancelling to suit quieter locations while still blocking out distracting sounds. Hear the world around you. Let the sounds of the world into your personal space by pressing the right ear cup for 1 to 2 seconds to activate transparency mode. Ideal for when you need to speak to people or want to hear traffic. Soundcore app. Select a noise cancellation mode. Choose from 22 EQ presets or customize your own, and tailor your own white noise soundscape for when you need to rest. Fast pairing. Life Q30 active noise cancelling headphones are compatible with NFC pairing. Just tap your Android phone on the right ear cup to connect. Embrace your ears. Enjoy all-day comfort thanks to the memory foam ear cups and headband, plus a lightweight frame weighing just 9 ounces, 260 grams. For a secure fit, Life Q30 active noise cancelling headphones have ear cups that adjust by up to 15 degrees. Multi-point connection. Connect to 2 Bluetooth devices at the same time to switch between calls, video conferencing, listening to music, and more without needing to reconnect. Convenient carrying. Keep Life Q30 active noise cancelling headphones protected against daily wear and tear by storing them in the included travel case. Following are the instruction and ways to use Anker Soundcore Life Q30. How to pair Life Q30 for the first time. Method 1. Standard Bluetooth pairing. Unbox Soundcore Life Q30. Press the power button for 5 seconds until the LED flashes blue to show it has entered Bluetooth pairing mode. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth. Select Soundcore Life Q30. Method 2. Fast pairing via NFC. Note: iOS devices are not compatible with NFC fast pairing. Ensure you know where the NFC area is located on your Android phone before you start. Enable NFC on your smartphone. Gently tap it on the right ear cup for 1 second. Tap the pop-up window to confirm the connection. If you tap your phone on the ear cup again, Bluetooth will automatically disconnect. Another main feature OR mode is to connect Life Q30 with 2 devices at the same time. Let's see how it works. Double press the power on or off button, so the LED flashes blue. Turn on the second device's Bluetooth. Select Soundcore Life Q30. Note: audio playback from the first device takes priority. If you want to listen to audio from the second device, pause the audio on the first device and then press play on the second. Phone calls take priority. Life Q30 will automatically receive the call regardless of which device you are currently listening to audio on. How to control music, phone calls, and voice assistance via Life Q30. Play or pause. Press the play button on the right ear cup. Volume up. Press plus button on the right ear cup. Volume down. Press minus button on the right ear. Next song. Long press the plus button for 1 second. Previous song. Long press the minus button for 1 second. Answer or end call. Press the play button once. Reject call. Long press the play button for 1 second. Activate voice assistant. Long press the play button for 1 second. How to turn on noise cancellation and transparency modes. Turn on or off noise cancellation. Press the NC button on the left ear cup to turn on noise cancellation. You will hear the noise cancellation. Press the NC button again to turn off noise cancellation. You will hear normal. How to activate transparency mode. Method 1. Press the NC button on the left ear cup until you hear transparency. Method 2. Press the right ear cup for 1 to 2 seconds until you hear transparency. How to adjust noise cancellation and transparency via Soundcore app. Download the Soundcore app from Apple App Store or Google Play. Pair Life Q30 with your phone first. Then open the app and find Life Q30 in the headphone page to connect. Tap the bar to switch between normal, noise cancellation or transparency. You can select from 3 different noise cancellation modes based on the environment that you are in. How to clean Life Q30's ear cups. Clean the ear pads regularly using an alcohol wipe. Other specifications are: impedance 16 ohm, driver, full range 2 into 40 mm, frequency response 16 Hz to 40 kHz, range 15 meters or 49.21 feet.